I've been at the theatre for just over 20 years, and we've built the theatre up to be such a busy venue. It's really important to loads of people, but it got into a state that it was desperate for refurbishment, and we were so lucky to become part of the money that come into Goldthorpe. So we've had a full refurbishment, full brand new roof. The basement is superb for rehearsal spaces, bands, music production, everything. And the theatre itself now looks absolutely beautiful.
The real jewel in this crown here is this basement, where the basement had been out of action for a number of years, been unable to use it. It was constantly flooding, and monies have been well spent to create some amazing space which the community can use. I think they can host some really big events and great events in the future. What also is important about this is some of the funding has been used in terms of welfare parks and the area around us here. Some of the footpaths have been reinstated, some work's done to the car park, for some much needed car parking. We're really pleased to have been provided that with some support here as well in terms of the work that's been done around us.